welcome Nico on the stage. Hi Nico, thank you for joining me.
Hi Camille, no problem. I love being here. Wait. Hi Camille, no problem. I'm a good friend of Kathleen and would really want to decide a very special evening for her.
Sige, ito na lang. Paano kayo nag-meet ni Kathleen? Nanalo po ba?
Well, it started like this. We were in grade 5, tapos we met as classmates, and then we found out na neighbors pala kami, and we just started hanging out with a group of neighbors namin, and then ganon, we got closer, just naging best friends. Maybe more than that.
Lagot ka kay Ali.
Ay, sorry Lane ha. Ay, hindi nakikinig. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know there are so many people back in the Philippines who would like to be their birthday celebrant here today. So while some of you are still eating, we would like to ask you to turn your attention to our projector for another AVP. Kathleen, watch this AVP made by your friends and family back in the Philippines. Hope you like it. Enjoy!
Happy 18th birthday, Kat! Una sa lahat, alam mo na sana na love ka namin, na andito lang kami para sa'yo. We're wishing you all the best. 4 years ago, nung una ko makilala si Kathleen sa San Felipe school namin dati. New student siya noon. Tapos, nagpakilala siya kay Sir Aher, yung advisor namin. Tapos, siya noon, mahinhin siya, shy type, gano'n. Tapos, parang sabi niya, "Hi, I'm Kathleen Kag." Parang gano'n. Tapos, ito rin, si Kat, siya noon, new student.
Kasi yun, parehas kaming transfer ni Kat. Tapos, hindi ko siya ganun kinakausap man kasi hindi talaga ako nagkakausap ng mga pag new student, syempre new school. Pero nung nakausap ko siya, makulit kasi talaga ako. Sabi niya, I'm Kat. Sabi ko, uy, parehas tayo ng name. Gumanan agad ako sa kanya. Tapos, naging close ko siya dahil dun sa common friend namin.
Naging friends kami ni Kathleen nung nagkaroon kami ng retreat sa Tagaytay. Tapos, first parang encounter pa lang namin. Tapos sweet pala. Malambing sweet.
Oh, ayun din. Ano pa ba? Ang dami namin ginawa ni Kat din. Marami din kami pinagsamahan. Kahit medyo matagal na, hanggang ngayon naaalala pa din namin. Natandaan ko pa kay Kat nung first year kami. Kasi diba, twin kami dalawa nun eh. Tapos nung first year kami, nung nasa quadrangle kami, parang naghahanapan kami ng rose. Ikaw nagpicture sa amin nun, diba? Nung magkayakap kami.
Hindi ko na maalala.
Basta, ayun, may picture kami nun. Tapos, hindi kami naghihiwalay ng first year eh. Yeah, sobrang, we're like this, like this talaga.
Kami rin hanggang ngayon, we're like this.
Ganun pa din kami ka-close. Saan yung lahat talaga, yung as in happy moments natin dati. Pero, sana naman po nating i-treasure yun. Tapos, hindi mo kami makakalimutan. Siyempre, kami yung friends mo dito sa Philippines.
Sana,
magkasana magbago.
Ka na, 18 ka na.
Mas alam mo na yung mas alam mo na yung tama sa mali. Kumbaga, mas, grown up ka na. Ayun.
Andiyan naman yung family and friends mo dyan sa Canada para i-guide ka pa rin. Tapos, kapag may problema ka dyan, pwede mo pa rin naman kaming i-chat, diba?
Ganun. Anytime naman, pwede mo kaming makausap. Study hard. Happy birthday ulit.
We love you.
Hi Kat, si Augusto to. Happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi. More birthdays to come.
Hi Kat, at si Nico to. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hi Kat, happy 10th birthday.
Starless Kathleen, as of this moment, happy 18th birthday. Enjoy being legal age na. Even mature, I know that I'm not there, not like previously that we celebrated your birthday here in Philippines. More blessings, study well, pursue your dream together with your family, enjoy with them, and more birthdays to come. Love, Ate Eska.
Hi, Kat. Happy 18th birthday. God bless. Grabe. 18 ka na. Naalala ko pa dati yung una nagpa-straight ka, kasama mo ako. Tapos, nung nag-play ka sa ABS, kasama mo rin ako. Then, bilis ng panahon, 18 ka na, ako, bata pa. Ganun talaga, that's life. So, wish ko is more blessings to come. Then, aral maigi. Ano pa ba? Well, nakita naman kita, lalo kang gumaganda. Yun lang, ingat lagi at talagaan mo sarili mo.
Hi, Kat! Happy birthday! I hope you will be blessed more and I wish you all the best things in life.
Happy birthday, Kat! Stay as pretty as you are now. Be good, stay happy,
Hi, ako po pinsan doon ni Ate Kat. Kasama ko po siya nung bata pa po kami. Yan. Sabay kami maligo. Yung kamay isa lang, laging pares ang suot namin, pares ang laruan, parang kapatid ko, gano'n. Happy birthday nga pala, sana hindi ka magbago. Ito pala, hindi ko pala sasabi, mahal na mahal kita kahit hindi tayo masyado kakano ngayon. Mahal na mahal pa rin kita yung mga memories natin dati, hindi ko pa rin crush pa rin sa akin. Saka yung pinagalitan ako ni Tita Grace, yung ako'y naiyak, tapos siya ay akala ko ako'y papaloy niya, di ako'y gumanon din, di yun, magmumukha kaming appear, tapos utas ka dun. Yun, lagi mo nang pinaalala yun sa akin, tapos ako'y kunwari nga, ano yun, di ko alam yun. Pero pinapaalala mo na naman sa akin, ma'am, na pinaalala dahil gusto mong ayaw kalimutan yung taranto na hindi ko talaga nalilimutan. So sige, anyway, happy birthday, maraming salamat sa lahat. Hindi ka mawawalan.
Hi Kat, Grandpa Barry speaking, wishing you a very, very happy 18th birthday, and I hope you have a wonderful time there with everybody. I'm just sorry that we can't be with you to enjoy the day.
Hi Kat, happy birthday. Sana huwag malimutan si Lola. Sana mag-aaral mabuti. Yung unang kinabukasan mo ang iyong isipin. At lagi kang smart. Lagi kang maging respect sa iyong mga magulang. Lagi gusto lang mamahalin. Kat, ako'y natutuwa. Ikaw ay dumating na sa edad ng 80th birthday mo. Mag-aaral na mabuti, ha? Happy birthday! I love you so much!
Hi, Kat!
Happy birthday!
Happy Dibo!
Yeah.
Love you.
I'm sorry we cannot come in your place because of the distance that we have. Anyway, I wish
someday
that you will enjoy your debut.
Oh.
And wish you good luck.
Hello, happy birthday Kathleen. Wish you all the best and hope for good health. Sana nga nandyan ako, no? Maybe next year maranasan ko ding makasama kayo ng matagal. Alam ko yan ang best birthday ng isang babae to have a debut party. Sana makita ko kung ilan yung mga lalaking sasayaw sa'yo na hindi ko na-experience. But it's okay. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday uli. Yun lang. I miss you talaga. Sanang kita-kita ulit tayong lahat.
Happy birthday, Ate Kat. So pretty. Love you. Peace out, guys.
Happy birthday, Ate Kat. Stay pretty and kind. Take care always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kat. Sana manatili kang simple, mabait na bata. Alam ko naman talaga mabait ka. At hindi mo kami makalimutan dito nasa Pinas.
Happy birthday, Ate Kat. I wish you all the best in life. Sana di ka muna mag-boyfriend pero may boyfriend ka na ata. Huwag mo nang mag-aasawa. Magtapusin mo ng pag-aaral at tapadin mo na yung iba pang pangarap sa buhay. Stay humble and giant and alagaan mo si Tita Grace, si Tito Delphine at saka si Kuya JD. Mag-ingat kayo dyan sa Canada. Love you.
Happy birthday!